Dragon fruit. So here's our dragon fruit. This one is unripe as these small wings here are green rather than pink. When dragon fruit is ripe, it'll be slightly wrinkled, soft to the touch, and mostly pink. To break these down, we're going to simply top and tail, which is a term that means to trim the top and bottom off. I'll then make an incision along the skin and begin to peel it away from the flesh like so. Once that's peeled, we can then slice down the middle, which will help us to create a base so we can safely remove any excess skin. Once that's done, we'll then cut our halves into quarters and then into a rough chop. And there is our dragon fruit.